Hi everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for the 30 Days of Sketches with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Today is day number 18, even though it's going up on the 19th. I got a little behind on my posting. And I really struggled with this sketch, so you're not going to see the struggle because I worked it out before I started filming, but yeah, I was not feeling it at all. It's a lovely sketch by Page Maps, but sometimes when sketches have too much detail, it's hard for me to look past it. And I found that was true with this layout. So what I chose to do is use the grid kind of design, and then I'm also positioning my grid in the same position, and I'm using multiple photos, and that's about kind of where it ends because I don't know, could not make this happen. So what I chose to do is I am using a cut file from the cut shop, and I can't remember what this is called. It might be called like Snap It or InstaLove or something to that nature. But if you just go and search cameras, you definitely will find it. And I cut it out on some black cardstock. Now this is my absolute favorite black cardstock in the entire world. It's called Cereal Ultra Black, and I get it from Cardstock Warehouse. It only comes in a 8.5 by 11 size. It's a like 104-pound cardstock or whatever, so it's super thick, but the color on it is just amazing. It's like the blackest black you can possibly get. It is just so like rich and beautiful. So I highly recommend it if you're not getting that from my sales pitch there. So you can just head on over to the Cardstock Warehouse. I'll try to include a link down below for that. And again, I am also working, surprise, surprise, I'm sure, with the Pretty Little Studio Color Me Happy collection. Again, still sitting on my desk, so I will try to mix it up. I do apologize if you are getting sick of this collection, but it is so pretty. I love it so much. I'm actually considering whether I want to buy more. I got it all at Paper Issues, so you can use my code Daisie20 for 20% off if you are interested in picking up whatever they might have left in the shop. So I backed all of the cameras using some random bits of paper that were on my desk, and then I stuck them up on some fun foam. And now I'm going to be using some pieces of the die cut like ephemera pieces, and there is one set, I want to say it's Hear Me Roar, that has a bunch of circles in it, and I am layering the circles with some of these animal faces and hearts and things. Just because I thought it would be a fun element. There's some circles in the sketch, or like a circle in the sketch, and so I thought that this would be a fun way to kind of bring that in. I'm also using one little circle. These were also in the die cut pack. I'm putting one circle on each of the cameras. Now after I did all this, I realized that I had my cameras mixed up. I was thinking about trying to switch them around, but because I didn't want the two with the hearts on it together, but they were already stuck down, so I didn't really care. So now I'm sticking my photos down, and these photos were literally from the night before I think I did this layout. And my girls did a little fashion photo shoot, and so I have 4 of my youngest daughters standing in front of this giant coloring poster that's in my older daughter's room. It's of an elephant, and yeah, just cute photos of her. So I printed them out small enough that I could fit multiple of them on. And then now I'm just layering up my little embellishments here. My title is going to be that unique, and that was again from one of the die cut packs. I'm trying to make sure that each of my circles are kind of turned a different way because they're half and half circles, so I don't want all of the lines to match up. Just a little detail that probably nobody else would notice, but I noticed. So I'm just trying to decide which animal head to use, and so I decided on a cat and a panda bear. And then I was thinking I wanted to do a third one, but it doesn't end up working, so I don't think I end up doing it. And now here I had put this up on some super thick foam and decided I didn't like it, so I'm changing up my foam choices. So if you haven't already, definitely head on over, check out Christy's take. I know Moira also did one, and Crystal from Pineapple Papers did. I don't remember who else is playing along for this day, but definitely check out the hashtag 30DSCBL5 and you'll be able to see everybody who's playing along. It was a great sketch. For me, I struggle really hard when like the sketch tells me what to do. Like I feel like it doesn't leave enough room for my imagination, so I have to strip it down in my mind, and this is kind of what I came up with. So I'm just adding a few little word or phrase stickers here, one I think to each camera in different colors, and then I added that little wear your crown underneath the unique, and then added a crown to the center of that one camera. I'm pulling off a few of these epoxy hearts to stick down. I was trying to come up with something to put above that one photo because I felt like it had just that little gap there and I didn't like that. And I do end up stamping the date. I've been trying to stamp the date more often. Just because it'd be nice, but yeah. So now I'm doing my doodly border, and I'm just doing a short line with 3 X's in between. And I really like the way this turned out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm sorry it's a day late. I will not be doing the sketch for today, or when this video is going up, which is Sunday the 19th. And then hopefully tomorrow I will be able to get back to doing like the daily scrapbook pages. But thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and I will see you again next time. Bye!